हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में हम लर्न करेंगे कि हम YouTube के लिए अपनी वीडियोस के लिए थंबनेल्स कैसे डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। फॉर दिस फर्स्ट लॉग इन टू योर Canva, click on the social media. Here you will find a variety of different kinds of social media posts. From here, choose YouTube thumbnail. You will find a lot of templates on the left hand side. Here you can see some are available free to use and some are for pro users. So it depends on you. If you are using a pro account, you can use any of the pro template from here. And if you are using a free account, there are a lot of options given over here to use. I can edit it as per my requirement and use it as a thumbnail for my videos. I can change the font. I can redesign it like this. If I want to change the image, I can choose image from here. Click on photos. Search any of the photos you want to replace it with. Let's say I use this and I replace it. This is how we can design by using templates. We may create by ourselves by using a blank canvas. Search some backgrounds. I want to use this. Replace it with the background image. Now go to the elements. Let's say we are designing a thumbnail for how to create thumbnails in YouTube. Insert some objects here. There is a subscribe button available. I can use this as well. And keep it in your mind that I am using only the free available stuff over here. YouTube subscribe. Add some text. Let's change the color and change all elements. Canva. Use any text. I'm right now using this from element. Change the color. Now add some of the elements on the left hand side. It is quite empty over here. So what else can we add? We may use some shapes. Change the transparency by clicking the button here. And I want to change the color also. I think I should go for this blue. We may add more elements. For example, I'm using this one and I want to change its color also because my theme is blue, so I will go with that color, this gray one, right? And select it, Control C, Control V. I have made a copy. I can rotate it like this and I will red color and I'm just changing its transparency and I'm copying pasting it to place on different places. See, I rotate it because I want it in this way. You may add some good patterns. Let's find out. See, some patterns are here. Let's try this one. This is free. Change its color to our theme color like this one and I can stretch it and I need to change its transparency. I'm adding a few more elements. Let's change its color, resize it, and click change all. So it will change all the stuff color which is in black to red. We may add some pictures and first remove, otherwise if I place it over here I will not be able to move these icons. So I need to remove, and now I can place it at the top. Here is a thumbnail. I am using it for this video. Let me know in the comments if you like this video. Share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the informations of my channel regularly. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you in the next video. Take care.